How to get new top discount codes for Duolingo. Hello everybody, we are going to find out in this video, so let's just start. For that, you may head over to a browser, any of the browser that you prefer, and type in Duolingo coupon codes in the search bar. Once you do that, you'll be finding different links. You may head over to any of you prefer. Let's go to this duolingo.worththepenny.com. After that, open up the link, and when you do, here you'll be finding various kind of codes which are new. So all you gotta do is head over to the code. For example, let's head over to the 60% off one. After going over there, here you will be finding a code on the screen. All you gotta do in order to enjoy up to 60% off with promo code for Duolingo, copy of this code by tapping on this copy button. After that, use it on your Duolingo. So that is it for now. You may follow this method. We also have different various codes available. You may choose any of the one you prefer. So for now, this is how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.